Hi, it's Sean with a self-vid here. I'm in the Fukhari neighborhood of Khan Yunis in the south of Gaza, about 45 minutes south of Gaza City, and we're here looking at a piece of land that's been donated by a local landowner, well loved in the community, to the Development Association of Fukhari. Anera, with support, is going to build a preschool here for 150 kids. There isn't enough preschool education in this area. We're going to be serving communities that are desperate to have their kids off to a good start in education. Anera and its supporters are building about 10 of these each year, and we thank you for that support.